Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please do take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. Okay, we're going to do some sardines today. We're going to do 2 recipes here. I've had lots and lots of emails about this. So what we're going to do is we're going to do one really simple in the oven, just really simple, I mean that. And then we're going to do some fried ones, which dipping them in some egg and some flour, some seasoned flour. So yeah, both really simple, both delicious. Here we go, we've got our sardines here, fresh sardines. They've been cleaned, which means the guts have been taken out and they've been scoured a little bit. You can get your fishmonger to do that, or you can buy them just like that. Anyway, let's get started on the first one. Okay, so our first recipe, we're going to do these 1, 2, 3, 4 in the oven. So what we've got is equal parts of olive oil and lemon juice, garlic. We're going to add some salt and pepper, and if you wanted, you could add another herb like some fresh chili flakes. I might actually do that. But yeah, you can choose anything you want. Some cumin, fennel seeds, something like that can go in there. Very simple. So, like I say, couldn't be easier. You need some form of oven-proof tray. I'm using glass, ceramic or metal, also work just as well. Now, my oven's on full blast, as high as you can. Just get it on as high as you can. What we're going to do is just add those very simple ingredients. So, our fish are in there. Let's add the lemon juice, or lime juice could work. Lime juice gives it a lovely flavour as well. Olive oil. What's that, a 1/4 cup of each there. Black pepper. Salt. And I'm going to add some chili flakes in there. Like I say, optional. Think of something else, thyme, rosemary, anything kind of works really. And then our garlic, chopped garlic. There's like a sort of tablespoon here. It's quite a lot of garlic. On that goes. So, I'm just going to flip these around a little bit, get them coated. So oven, full blast, preheated. In they go. They're going to be in the oven like 10 minutes. When they kind of look like they're done, they're done. They're very delicate fish. So once they start to kind of get that kind of look of being cooked, that means they are actually cooked. They cook very easily. So in the oven, my oven, full blast, 10, 12 minutes max. I'll see you then. Okay, and there you go. Super easy. Fantastic. I like to eat this with some bread, nice crusty bread. Don't waste all of that oil, that olive oil, that garlic, that chili, and all that lemon juice. I like to kind of soak that up. But yeah, really easy peasy. A little bit of fresh parsley if you like. Let's move on to the next one. So, number 2 here. As you can see, I've cut the heads off of these ones, these 3. I've got egg, beaten egg, flour, and we're going to get some salt and pepper. What we're going to do is put some salt and pepper into the flour. In fact, I can do that right now while we're here. Nice generous amount. We're going to give that a mix so we've got a nice seasoned flour. We need to get some oil on. I'm using some sunflower oil, getting that nice and hot. About 2 or 3 centimeters. What we're going to do is take a fish, dip in the egg, dip in the flour, straight into the hot oil. And then we repeat that process straight into the oil. Okay, so we've got like 2 to 3 centimeters of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, getting that hot. You don't want it like super crazy hot. Like we're not making French fries here, but nice and hot. And then what we do, we drop our fish in. And as you can hear, the oil's not going nuts. What we want to do is we want to cook those for about 3 minutes aside. Be careful because they're quite delicate. You don't want to be turning it very often. They're going to be beautiful. That's sort of 3 minutes in. You're turning them over. You see we've got that lovely golden brown there. And that's it, just 3 more minutes I would say for these sides. I mean, these are actually quite big, these sardines. And then out onto some kitchen towel or paper towel just to get rid of any excess oil, and it's done. Sardines are easy. Okay, and there you go. Sardines 2 ways. Fried, nice and crispy, just really nice, again with some bread or some salad. And then our oven sardines with the olive oil and the lemon juice and garlic. Hope you enjoy that. I hope that's answered a few of the emails that I've had. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please do click that bell icon just below for notifications. We will see you soon. Lots of love.